Imagine if you could predict market movements quickly and accurately without guessing, but by using proven methods, you could significantly increase your profits. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. Success in trading is not about guessing where the market will move, but with the right strategy, you can understand the fundamentals of market movements. By accurately understanding the direction of market movements, you will have a golden opportunity to achieve success. And one of the quite popular trading strategies nowadays is using order blocks and the smart money concept. In this video, we will explain a trading strategy using order blocks and the smart money concept with one of the best order block indicators on TradingView. So, make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video. And don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. The order block trading strategy that will be discussed in this video is very easy to use and can work on almost any time frame. That's why you can use this trading strategy for scalping, day trading, or swing trading. Additionally, you can also use this smart money concept trading strategy to trade all assets such as forex, gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, or others. Let's get started. To use this order block trading strategy, you can go to TradingView. Then you can go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type in Market Structure CHOCH. Then select Market Structure CHOCH by Nephew Sam. Next, make a few adjustments to this market structure indicator. In the Input tab, uncheck the Show CHOCH option. Then uncheck the Show FVG option. After that, change the colors in the Order Block tab. For the bullish order block color, change it to green, and for the bearish order block color, change it to red. Then you can check the Extend OB boxes and delete OB after fill options. The final step, uncheck the Breaker Block option. Once done, just click OK to confirm the changes. As you can see, this market structure indicator by Nephew Sam will provide supply and demand areas or key areas for placing orders in the market. As we have set it up earlier, if a green order block area appears, it is a bullish order block. This bullish order block area will be used as a key level to look for opportunities to place buy orders. On the other hand, if a red order block area appears, it is a bearish order block. This bearish order block area will be used as a key level to look for opportunities to place sell orders. And to achieve better results, you can combine this market structure indicator with another indicator that will serve as a trend guide in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and then type in Best Cloud All MA. Then select Best Cloud All MA by Daviat. Next, make a few adjustments to this Best Cloud All MA indicator. In the Input tab, change the type of the first moving average to SMA. For the length of the first MA, change it to 50. Then do the same for the second MA, change the second MA to SMA, and for the length of the second MA, change it to 200. Next, go to the Style tab, adjust the line thickness of the first and second MA according to your preference. Then uncheck the Trend State Bar Coloring and Shape options. The final step, reduce the opacity of the plot background so it can be seen clearly. Once done, just click OK to confirm the changes. This Best Cloud All MA indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. When the Best Cloud All MA indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this position, your main focus is to find the best points to place buy orders. On the other hand, if the Best Cloud All MA indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this position, your main focus is to find the best points to place sell orders. Now add the third indicator that will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and then type in UT-Bot Alerts. Then select UT-Bot Alerts by QuantNomad. Next, go to the settings of the UT-Bot Alerts indicator. In the Input tab, change the key value to 2 and then change the ATR period to 1. After that, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the bar color option. Once done, just click OK to confirm the changes. Now your indicators are ready to use. And to complete the method of trading using the order block trading strategy, we will discuss how to place buy and sell orders using these indicators. How to place buy orders. If the best cloud all MA indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend. Focus on finding the best point to place a buy order. Wait for a break of structure, marked by the appearance of a green BOS or break of structure sign. After that, wait for the price candlestick to retest the bullish order block area. Once the price candlestick has retested the bullish order block area, wait for a buy signal from the UT bot alerts indicator. As confirmation, ensure that the trend is still bullish. If all conditions are met, place the buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss below the bullish order block area. Target take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place sell orders. If the best cloud all MA indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend. Focus on finding the best point to place a sell order. Wait for a break of structure, marked by the appearance of a red BOS or break of structure sign. After that, wait for the price candlestick to retest the bearish order block area. Once the price candlestick has retested the bearish order block area, wait for a sell signal from the UT bot alerts indicator. As confirmation, ensure that the trend is still bearish. If all conditions are met, place the sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss above the bearish order block area. Target take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Make sure to always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no strategy can guarantee a 100% win rate. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've gained new knowledge today. That concludes our discussion for now, and see you in the next video.